Alright, what's going on, y'all? I'm just out here walking the dog. See, I'm out behind the house. I got the scenery side on. I just want y'all to know I started Clear Liquids today in preparation for surgery. Had surgery Wednesday. Y'all pray for me. I know I'm gonna come out good. Because it's definitely not easy watching people eat when you can't eat. Man, it's gonna be worth it. Just want to say I love y'all. Man, I know y'all got the scenery, like the sky. Look at that, all blue down here in the country. You know, I know I usually do a video where y'all can see my face. I just wanted to change it up a little bit today, you know. But just let y'all see what I see basically on a daily basis when I come behind the house. But yeah, so y'all keep me in y'all prayers. I'm gonna do great things. I'm gonna do good. I'm gonna keep God first in it. And I love y'all. Oh, and also to all the fathers, happy Father's Day. I know it's gonna be a little late post, but happy Father's Day to all the dads. Even if they're not here anymore, still happy Father's Day to them. And all right, man, I love y'all. I'll come back to y'all in a couple of days and let y'all know how I'm doing. It'll probably be the day of my surgery, so take it easy. I love y'all.